Hello again, welcome to this video. So today I'm going to be sharing with you something quite special. Now, I've been testing this new technique out for different brokers, 8cap, E8, FTMO. Now, what I'm going to show you now here is pretty crazy because this is a fully automated system that I've kind of devised and it works really well for indices. Now, I'm going to be showing you techniques on FX pairs as well, but this is the one for indices. Now, as you can see here, if I just get rid of this. So right now we're in my VPS. So as you can see here, this is a real account that we're trading on. So I'm actually recovering this account for a client. Now, when I've put this EA on, this is a 25K account, okay? So as you can see the win rate we've got here. So I've pretty much been trading for this US30, SPX 500, NAS100, and the UK 100 as well. So this bot, the way I've set it, now you cannot get this anywhere else. That's a crazy thing. Okay guys, you can only get this from me because it's a custom made EA. So with this bot here, as you can see, we're only risking 0.25%. Now 0.25% is good because that means that we're not even risking 1% per trade. You'd have to lose 4 trades in a row to lose 1%. Now that's what's so good about it, because obviously when you're prop firm trading, you can only lose, like 4 or 5% on most prop firms. So we're really not going to reach that with the levels that we're trading. However, we're making a lot of profit back. Now, as you can see here, the bot will automatically detect when the market is right. So if I go to this here, as you can see, the market is literally been buying and selling, according to when the movements are going to happen. Now, it does work almost like in a timed area of the market. So it kind of recognizes when the market is in a position where it's going to make big moves. And the market is always predictable for US30 and SPX 500, for example, because at certain times of the window, for example, when the New York session is about to start, it's going to go either way. And the EA kind of recognizes the signs and signals for when that's going to happen. And then it's going to make the trade. Now, if you want to access this kind of EA, I've got a modified version for you that's unique for each client. Now, if you want to access this, let me know. And then we can start, I can start trading for you, or I can show you how to use it and how you can actually start making money with it on your prop firms or personal account trading. Now, I've actually got another one that I want to show you as well. Now, the other one I want to show you is an FX pairs trading robot. Now, the FX pairs trading robot, I'm going to show you in the next video. But for this video, this was a really kind of like quick catch up on showing you the potential of trading US30 using this kind of EA. So as you can see here, if I wanted to, I could increase the risk of this because I'm not losing much on the trades. So if I increase this risk to 1% win per trade, that could literally mean that, you could pass a challenge just by trading this at 1% risk if you win pretty much all your trades before you get a loss. Now, this wins pretty much, I would say, maybe it wins like 8 out of 10 trades. So that's the kind of crazy, reward strategy we're looking at here. So you're imagining this EA is making profit before it even hits a stop loss of 0.25%. Now, this is, some crazy goodness. Now, if you want this EA, let me know because you cannot get it anywhere else. And this is going to be modified to be unique for each person, so you can use it for your prop firms and real accounts. So make sure you message me down below and we can actually get started. Now, if you want to purchase it direct, because you just want it right now, literally the purchase button is linked down below in the description. You can use Apple Pay, whatever you want to pay with, and you can get this EA and test it out for yourself. And I'll actually help you to set it up. So that's it for this quick little video. Catch you in my next one. See ya.